Hello again, folks. I thought I would squeeze in a mini lock Monday, as it's been a little while since I've done one. So today I've got these two tiny little locks. As you can see, my hands are not that big. They do look quite similar. They both got this funny looking keyway with the spinner discs. He says it does spin. There you go, look, it really does. So yeah, only difference is one is warded and one is a wafer lock. This one says diamond up here, look, upside down. There we go. And this other one is a Squire and Son number 26. So what do we need to pick these? Focus is a good start. First of all, here's the key to one of them. That's how you know it's a warded lock. If you got a key, you got these square notches instead of your peaks for the pins to go up and down on. And that's so if you got warding inside a lock, those gaps go around for warding as you turn the actuator, which is usually down towards the end, but not always, like on this one. So what do we need to pick these locks? First of all, a good set of wafer jigglers. I got these from UK Lockpickers. And what do we need to do with these? Quite simply, find the right jiggler and give it a wiggle and a pop and a twist. There you go. So that's that one. And for the warded lock, what do we use for that? I hear you say. Well, I bought these warded picks. As you see, they emulate the cutouts on the key. We've got long arms and short arms. So what we do with that, oh sorry, just so you know, if you're wondering, I bought these with a funky triangle handle from Andrew over at Lawlock Tools. So what do we do with these? Generally, you're going to use this one most of the time, or sometimes this one, or these two, really. So, like I say, quite often the actuator is down here, but on this one, it quite literally is. Can't find it now. He says, have I got the right one? See, trial and error. Let's try the longer arms across the top there, and the single one. Let's see if I'll do it first. Yeah, so I've popped this one before. You wouldn't believe it, would you? There we go. So like I say, that is literally only just in there. Using my finger as a gauge. So that's that. Let's just do that again. Make sure it's not a fluke. So there you go. And we've got the keys for that, so we can show it's all working fine. There we are, look. So that's that. So yeah, a couple of nice little locks. Look very similar, but very different. So that's it for today. Until next time, thanks for dropping in and take care, everyone. Bye for now.